Hi, this is Ben Ryder from Agfa. We're going to quickly get through this in under 3 minutes apparently. So this is planar cut and sew. So the way this works is we're going to simply do our planars just as we did before. So I'm going to select all the faces that are facing on that Z-axis there. So select that, go apply, then going to click on this one and this one, which is on the X-axis. So I'm going to go to planar, go to X-axis. Then I'm going to do these top and bottom ones, which are on the Y-axis. Like so, and go like that. And so what I should end up with on my UV editor is a complete mess. And basically what this is a whole heap of different faces that have or haven't been in UV unwrapped properly. So I'm just going to go back to that one again and see why some of these faces didn't UV unwrap. Planar, best bounding plane. So try that one again. Z, apply. X, apply, and Y, apply. Good. Alright, so now I have a number of different faces here. I have these two faces for this one. I have the top and bottom down here, and these ones which didn't UV unwrap properly. So I'm just going to go planar and go to X and apply. So I now have all my faces, all in different pieces. And the problem with that being that if I go here to thing is that none of these sort of lines are seamless. The aim of the game is I should be able to go around this and not see bricks start and end, because if I assign a material onto it, you can see these tiles do not match up, and we don't want that because that's really game breaking. It breaks the immersion of it and makes it look really fake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, box select all of these. I'm actually going to go to modify and go unstack shells. And that basically puts them all together like so. And even though that's nice, it's still not seamless. Like this doesn't connect up with that. So I'm gonna click off of that. When I click here on this edge, I can see that that edge meets up with that edge right there. So I've done a bit of a blunder here in that that's going to be the wrong size. So if I rotate by 90 degrees, I can resize that so that it is the right size, and now I can go to edge and then try and sew. So cutting and sewing, basically when I did all those things, it cut all those faces up, and now I'm going to sew it back together. So if I go move and sew, it'll move it to here. So now if we look at this one shell here, and that's these parts here, we can see that these parts at least are seamless. So now I just need to do the same with the others. So I'll go here to edge, so that connects to that, go cut and sew, move and sew. Cool, so here we have this going, so that's all looking good. See how seamless that is? It goes and wraps around. And then this last part here, which is edge and sew like that. I'm just going to go modify, move and sew. Okay, so something weird has happened here, and that is because I haven't resized this properly. So I'm going to first rotate around, scale it down like so, and then find these two matching edges, move and sew. And these two here, they line up nicely there, so I'm just going to do the same. Move and sew, and move and sew. And that's how we sew it all together so that it's all relatively seamless. Now like I said, it's not going to be perfect in the sense that these top parts and bottom parts aren't going to be perfectly seamless. They're going to match up to these faces here, but they probably won't match up with the other side. But that's fine because nobody sees the top or bottom of walls anyway. As long as when I'm rotating all around this, I can see that it's seamless, that's the only thing that matters. So that will do for that video.